do a little unboxing of this Big Tree Tech Octopus 1.1. So we got these 2209 stepper drivers. Got 8 of these bad boys. Nice little candy package. We got the Pi version 2. Oh no, 1.2. My bad. From Big Tree Tech. I like those. Little Wi-Fi antenna. Good little heat sink. 80XL cable. 2 Type-Cs. The good old octopus board. And a rubber ducky. Can't forget the Big Tree Tech sticker either. I think they recommend to glove up for this, but I've done it raw dog too. So yeah. Heated bed, 3 heated nozzles, plenty of steppers. I'm gonna have to do a little research on this. Pretty nice piece. Oh. Got your little pins, little bridge pins. Printed this din rail mount. Little bracket. Bam. Bolt up nice. These are sweet. You got your 12 or 24 volt in to power that puppy, so you don't got to use no dumb Type-C adapter for a regular Raspberry Pi. I like these. I've used both these and regular Raspberry Pis, but these are nice. They work well.